Hey beautiful people, thank you for stopping by. My name is Sasha Gay and today we are going to be doing a curl box unboxing, okay? And this is the June curl box. Now, as you know already, this is a monthly subscription box which you can buy and have shipped to your home address. I use airdrop to do my shipping. There are many companies that you can use out there, but before we get into all of that, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content. Hit that like button so that you can show your support. Also, don't forget to turn on that post notification so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. If you have anything to say, just drop that in the comment section and let's get into the video.
So you keep me firm and strong. Bad mind and jealousy just get me free. So you keep me firm.
Alright, so this is the fun part. This is the curl box right here. Yeah, looking mad fun and feeling very heavy. Okay, so boom. First thing you get is this little greeting card of sorts. Hey curl friends, we're not going to get into that though. Then you get this that has all of the products and a breakdown of exactly what they are and all of that. What's this little book called again? I guess it's called the curl box book, okay? And there is a second one which is from the ORS Hair Repair, the brand itself, and I think she's a YouTuber if I'm not mistaken. That's some beautiful hair right there. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. I have received, so heavy. So I have received 5 full-size products and they are all from the same brand, ORS. So the name of the brand or of the product line is ORS Hair Repair. So the first product I'm going to take out is the shampoo, but shampoo missing something. Hold on. Customs never have to do this. Okay. Pour shampoo went to hell and back. Custom Masque. Okay. It's not nice. Okay. It's not nice.
I feel, oh, my heart cracks.
So it's spilling now because it's broken. Smells a lot like mint, and I would say a fruit. Smells like mint and it's fruity. So this must feel real cooling on my scalp, or that's what I would anticipate. Then the next product I'm going to go into is, okay, Masque. So this is the ORS Scalp Rescuing Detox Mask, and that's what that looks like. Okay, yeah. This is clearly a deep treatment mask of sorts. Very thick. And again, it smells like mint. Smells like mint. Whew. I'm excited to feel that on my scalp. Okay, and then the next product is the Coconut and Baobab Anti-Breakage Conditioning Cream. And I guess this is like a moisturizer or a styler. So when I get into a product review, which I will be doing on these, I can tell you more about how they feel, how they style my hair, if I get any hold out of that cream. But I'm excited to use them. And then the next product is the Coconut Oil and Baobab Multi-Benefit Serum. Okay, and this is like a heat protectant. A heat protectant, yeah. It does not smell like mint, but it smells very nice. It smells kind of like toffee sweetie. You remember toffee? Long time I not eat no toffee though. I think that can't make. The next product is the Scalp Rescuing Detox and Renew Concentrate, and I guess this is like a scalp treatment. That's what that looks like. Okay, interesting. I don't think I've ever tried a scalp treatment, so I'm looking forward to this. This looks like a line for some healthy scalp, you know. Peppermint is a very good ingredient for scalp health. So this is what that looks like. This looks like a 1 ounce bottle. It's like a 1 ounce bottle. Oh, it's 2. It's 2 ounces, my bad. All right. Oh, and it's a dropper applicator. Okay, interesting. And again, it smells like mint. It smells like mint. See what it feel like. It feel minty. Okay, maybe it's slow acting, but it definitely smells like mint. All right, so 5 full-size products I got in the CURLBOX this month, and I'm happy about the products. I will look through thoroughly in my review of these products and tell you if they have any cones, because you don't know, say cones and me are not really friends. We not really take tea. We don't walk across the road together. No, we don't do that. So I will check into all of that, and I will give you a full update on my color video on these products. Okay? You have made it to the end of another video. You deserve a clap for that. Clap yourself. Clap yourself. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Turn on that post notification so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. Hit that like button if you enjoy the content. And don't forget to share. Share with your aunties, your uncle, your cousins, and your friends. Drop me a comment if you have anything to say. See you on another one. Bye. Hey beautiful people, thank you for stopping by. My name is